Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to use a Sumproduct function. Now you have a set of data in front of you and we have to compute the weighted average cost per unit. Now ideally, given this set of a data and considering that you do not know how do we use a Sumproduct, how do you go about it? First step, what will you do is you will compute this total number of units, which is 655. And then you will also compute the total cost, which is units multiplied by the price. And you will do this for all the items. Third step, you will consider computing a sum of the total cost. And in the end, how will you compute the weighted average cost per unit? You will say that, okay, I have total cost divided by I have the total number of units. And hence my weighted average cost per unit comes out to be 2357.405. And if I do it in two decimal format, it's 2357.4. Now this involved a lot of computations. What if I can say that I just have one function to use which will give you the desired result? Now let's see how do we do that. First step, equals Sumproduct. Now let's read what this says. It says Sumproduct returns the sum of the products of corresponding ranges or arrays. What does this mean? Let's open the formula. It will ask you for array 1. Array 1 is this units, comma, array 2. Array 2 is price. So ideally what this Sumproduct will do is it will compute the sum of the corresponding products. So 100 into 2500 plus 134 into 2450 plus 289 into 2200 plus 54 into 2500 plus 78 into 2500. So that is where we use a Sumproduct function. Now by using this Sumproduct function, we will arrive at this 1544100 figure, which is the total cost. If we divide this by the sum of the units, we can get the same answer, right? So that is where we use a Sumproduct function. If we have to compute the sum of the corresponding ranges, for example, A into B plus C into D plus D into E, so we can simply compute array 1 in the formula, comma, array 2 in the formula, and rest everything Excel will take care for us. So that's Sumproduct function for you. I know that's interesting and that's very easy. Try it yourself. Widely used, popular, and very beneficial.